If you are planning things, what's wrong with it?
That's RPC.
How are you?
I'm not wondering how are you?
Good day. My name is Joel. I'm trying to introduce myself. Who are you, sir? Now that we have introduced myself.
Probably interesting. The
I
DPC is the Victoria Commander.
Mm.
This place. So the DPC.
Well, I
Nothing
decided
much
I decided to engage a higher ranking officer, into the RPC, because I was trying to understand what the DPC told me. Just to give a recap, he asked me for clearance for us from the IGP. She actually first asked me, where are you going? I told her we are going to Paris because we have mobilization event there. So then she asked me, Madam Sikaho, for clearance from the IGP. I told her what kind of clearance. Then I educated her about the law, because the law says when we, as a registered political party, have an event like the one we have in Paris, we write to the IGP, and we wrote to the IGP notifying whoever is occupying that office about our events. We attached a schedule of all the places we're going to be at, all the permissions granted by the venue owners and so on. And we didn't get any formal response, because the law says once you have notified them, then you provide security. She then mentioned Madame Sikahwa. She told me where we are going, security is not guaranteed, there might even be stampede. I said, but that's why you people are there to provide security for us and whoever we are going to meet. That's why we notify the IGP. So if it's a concern, because our major concern seems to be security, that security is not guaranteed. I said, that's why you are there, to provide security for us and the people we are going to meet the other side. So what is the problem? Also, we can proceed.
But now, not talk much.
That's okay.
No, Article 211 and Article 2.
In fact, in addition, I'm a lawyer, not just a legislator. Yes.
So we are here legally, and we are to protect all Ugandans, including you.
Yeah.
You get me? You said you requested conditions.
Use
Okay, you
the-
asked for conditions.
No, we didn't
No,
ask
we
permission. We
notified.
notified them.
So
That's
you
what the
notified.
law says. Yes,
So
you
if
did.
you notified, did you get a feedback from IGP?
The law doesn't say we have to get feedback.
Oh.
When you read section 4,
So when you read
and
section-
5 of the
when you
Public
read the-
Order
when you
Management
read
Act.
the section 211, what does it say?
it says you regulate.
Please regulate.
So
What does
we are
regulated mean?
custodians of law and order. If the DPC has told you that there is intelligence coming up, that you guys are going to cause havoc,
We're going to cause havoc. What
that
havoc?
you guys have other intentions which are not known.
Which one?
Listen,
Because
listen.
we told you our
I'm asking-
intention.
I'm telling you what I'm supposed to say because I'm asking you. Therefore, we stand here. So please, if you don't honor, so that we can't get back to the IGP, just notify us, then now, better go back and say, the police in Sensibwa blocked us. Can you give us reasons for that? That's enough. But for the meantime, we not proceed.
Okay. But officer, for me the issue is really how you are not obstructing others. The NRM people, Simani PL, you are always doing these activities. They pass here every day with their processions. Yeah, but
You know, enforcer.
What brings me here?
What is wrong?
Is law and order.
But the double standards,
Detect and prevent.
but the double standards must be condemned.
Period.
Oh, officer, let me. No, actually, there are Sikahwa. Because everyone is.
Buterevu gwe omulungi ali ku Sama Uganda Media. Ensonga bwe ziri oyo ye DPRPC omukyalo oyo, so tugaaniddwa era nga bwe batunuulira bonna bakutte ku zimmando, so baye ab'amagye ne buli kika kya byakwerinda okuba nga bagatukolako obulabe batuganye okuba nga tweyongere tubadde twakatuuka wano ku mugga gwa Ssezibwa. Omukyala yoyo akulidde ekikwekweto.
We are going on a mobilization activity.
I said, we are the custodians of law and order. We detect and prevent. Right.
So these
We are in
things
charge.
going
We
to
are in
communicate,
charge.
right?
We are in charge of Sensibwa. The last time you passed through Sensibwa region, people lost their lives.
Which one?
Aren't you aware about that?
Which one? Tell me who lost their life and how?
Did you think that you had the unlawful possession and people
You
got
said
injured in
somebody.
accidents?
Somebody said somebody lost
No,
their
no,
life.
wait, I'll not go
It's
much into
because
that.
of our-
But I've
our
told
activities.
you.
Come
But I've told you that we are custodians of law and order. We detect and prevent crime. Therefore,
That's
we
why
have
you need to
detected.
be there.
We
so
have
that if
detected that
somebody
ahead
wants to
of us.
cause us harm, you provide that
Honorable,
security.
listen. We have detected that ahead of us. There's a little bit of insecurity. Probably may not be safe or us or other one youth.
Actually,
Yeah.
So I
I'm
kindly
glad
request
you're
you.
concerned about my
I
security.
kindly request you.
That's why I would like you to
Honorable.
provide for us
I
security.
kindly request you. Go back to yourselves. Though you say that you notify us, maybe we shall also notify you about your notification.
When and how?
Please, that's enough. Thank you very much.
But who are you that I'm here introduce myself? You need to introduce yourself.
I'm
That
Jonathan.
I-
I'm a
Jonathan.
senior student of police.
Jonathan. Me, I'm not just you. I'm Joel.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm done.
No, it's okay to because I want to know who I'm engaging. But if I am engaging back, I say this is the
Thank you,
person I engage.
Honorable. Thank you so much. I'm giving you time. If the commander talk to you, I've talked to you. That's enough.
This one I've seen, Sitahua. For you, you don't have a name tag. Who are you? Because if what you're doing is lawful and you're in our uniform, it's good to know who this person is. Because you're a senior ranking officer at the rank of senior superintendent of police. So you're Jonathan who, sir? But there are many Jonathans.
And the
Even
senior-
here, there are some
and the
Jonathans.
senior superintendent of police. And if you say that all these police officers are here listening, that means there is a command structure in place.
Yeah,
Thank you
that's
very
okay, and that's why we are.
Thank you very much, Honorable.
Thank you. I don't know what's wrong with that.
Thank you very
What's
much.
with your
Afande
excitement?
Sikawa.
Sikawa. You need to calm down, eh? You need to calm down. Eh? Are you the one who invited us?
That's Uganda. Buterev embeera bwetyo bwekyayimiridde gwe omulungi andaba kusama Uganda Media nga bwe tubagambye nti ekkubo lisaliddwako oba ne musharinga video nammwe abali kuno tetumanyi kiki kyebeetaaza pulezidenti tetumanyi kiki bamwagaza so embeera bwetyo bweri ya bunkenke nnyo ddala abasabo ne banyabo nga bwemulaba nti tusaliddwako ku mugga gwa Ssezibwa nga tuyingira Kayunga tusaliddwako gye twadde twayise tusaliddwako ab'amagye kwassa aba uniform zirimu eza Uganda Police kwassa n'abali mu ngoye eza leeya